Hello and welcome to our channel. Discover the hidden secrets of ChatGPT's dark side. Have you ever wondered what lies beyond the surface of ChatGPT's friendly facade? Are you ready to dive into the unknown and uncover the hidden mysteries of ChatGPT's dark side? Join us on an unforgettable exploration into the mysterious depths of this remarkable technology, where you'll be both fascinated and intrigued by what we uncover. ChatGPT is a cutting-edge artificial intelligence chatbot that has gained popularity since its launch in late 2022. However, there are negative aspects associated with the platform. Some of the things that ChatGPT has been used for include serving as a jack-of-all-trades, partner in scam, programming gone wrong, and replacement for schoolwork. Additionally, there are concerns about the potential risks that ChatGPT poses to cybersecurity, including phishing and information gathering by bad actors. It is important for users to be aware of these negative aspects and use the platform responsibly. While ChatGPT has undoubtedly achieved recognition and widespread usage since its introduction, there are indeed several concerning and negative aspects associated with the platform. These drawbacks have raised significant ethical concerns and have led to negative consequences for some users. Here are some of the prominent negative aspects of ChatGPT: enabling scams and deception. ChatGPT has been exploited by individuals with malicious intentions to deceive and defraud unsuspecting individuals. Scammers can use the chatbot's capabilities to manipulate and trick people into providing sensitive information, falling victim to financial scams, or engaging in fraudulent activities. The ease with which ChatGPT can mimic human conversation makes it an ideal tool for these nefarious purposes. Misuse for unethical practices. In some instances, ChatGPT has been employed to bypass ethical boundaries. Users have sought the assistance of the AI chatbot to engage in activities such as hacking, cheating, plagiarism, and other dishonest practices. This misuse not only compromises academic and professional integrity, but also undermines the development of essential skills and knowledge, accuracy, and unreliable information. While ChatGPT is designed to provide helpful responses, it may occasionally produce inaccurate or misleading information. As an AI model, it relies on the data it has been trained on, which can include biased or outdated content. Users must exercise caution when relying solely on ChatGPT for factual information, as it may inadvertently propagate misinformation or reinforce existing biases. Potential cybersecurity risks. The widespread use of ChatGPT raises concerns about cybersecurity vulnerabilities. Bad actors could exploit the platform for phishing attempts, where they mimic legitimate entities or manipulate users into disclosing sensitive information. Additionally, malicious users might deploy ChatGPT to gather personal data or perform reconnaissance for targeted cyber attacks, putting individuals and organizations at risk of data breaches and privacy violations, undermining human interaction and skills. Over-reliance on ChatGPT can lead to a decline in human-to-human interaction and the acquisition of critical skills. The chatbot's ability to serve as a substitute for real conversation or problem-solving may hinder the development of interpersonal communication, critical thinking, and creativity. This overdependence on AI can have negative implications for social dynamics, personal growth, and innovation. In conclusion, while ChatGPT is a popular AI chatbot, it has some problems that we need to be aware of. It can be used by scammers to trick people and take their money. Some people also use it for dishonest things like cheating or copying others' work. The information it gives may not always be accurate and could have biases. There are also concerns about cybersecurity, like bad people trying to steal personal information. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe our channel for more videos like this.